I think this car is, in fact, one of the most beautiful cars ever done. Very simple.
Yes, it is very simple. On the exterior, you can see clean, straight lines. And the interior is color coordinated, beautiful accents, and still a simple design, simple style. And of course, that comment was made by a Ford designer at the time this car was produced. And I think his comments are really right on. This car is an original. It has 52,000 miles. The front seat has been reupholstered and a few scratches have been touched up. The engine is 368 cubic inches. The carburetor has been replaced, and it's got new valves to take modern gasoline. Otherwise, it's pretty much the way it came off the line. Here you can see we have, as part of our hood ornament, our trusty knight in gold, who will be our sentinel and guide to lead us through our trip through the neighborhood. This is the fountain in Arizona, once reportedly the tallest fountain in the world. It can rise to a height of almost 600 feet. This was the site where we had a car show that I exhibited my Lincoln. Had a fair amount of onlookers. All exclaimed it was the most beautiful car they'd ever seen. At least, I think they said that.